Hello everyone. In today's video, let us check the transformation on independent variable when the multiple transformations are applied on the same scene. Suppose we are given a signal xt. Suppose this signal is given to us. Now we want a signal which is x of minus t minus t. Now if you look at that, there are two type of transformations are there. One is shifting t minus 2 and another is reversal because it is minus of t. So two type of transformations are to be applied. Now the question comes, which transformation to be applied first, right? This reversal can also be viewed as a scaling by minus 1, right? So there are two methods. The first simple method is always apply shifting first. Always apply shifting first, and then after shifting, then apply reversal or scale. Let us see how the things are. First, from this, we will get x of t minus 2. Forget about whatsoever is along with this thing, whether minus 1, 2, 3, anything. Just take the shifting. Now, this capital T is positive. The shifting will happen towards right hand side. So this signal will get shifted towards right by 2. Like this. Now, what will happen? Reversal. The whatsoever is at this, it will get reversed across this y-axis. So whatsoever is at 2 will become at minus 2, 3 at minus 3, 4 at minus 2. So the new signal will be so new signal will be like this. So what's happening? This is getting shifted like this. Just reverse it across. So that 2 to 3, this will be a positive pulse. 2 to minus, that will happen now at minus 2 to minus 3. 3 to 4, there was negative pulse. This will happen at minus 3 to minus 2. So that is what is done. First apply shifting, then do the reversal or scale. Suppose instead of this, if x of minus t minus 2, it was x of 3t minus 2. Again, the steps remain same. First, we will obtain x of t minus 2. Then, x of 3t minus 2 means that each of this time division will get divided by 3. But not reverse. This is the positive 3 plus 3, not minus 3. So the wave shape will remain same. But this will not happen at 2, 3, 4 like this. Now this new time will be, this will be happening actually at every text, this will get compressed like this. So this will be 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 3 by 3, 4 by 3. So that means this will be at 2 by 3, this will become 3 by 3 means. So like that the signal will get compressed. Now it will be from 2 by 3 to 4 by 3. Earlier it was from 2 to 4. Right? Because of this A 3 greater than 1. A is 3, that is greater. So that is how this combination can be applied. Now the next is that in this same, there is a second method which is given in the books that says that you apply reversal or scaling first and then do shifting. You first do this, then do this. That is the second method. But in that method, there is one important step. What is that? That says whatsoever is with t. Suppose earlier it was minus t, minus 2. Right? Or whatsoever is with t, first take that part as separate and make it a common. Like this can be written as like this. We have taken minus common and it becomes t plus 1. So whatsoever is with t, take it out. Now do first this part, that is scaling or reversal, and then do the shift. Like same thing, if it was x3t minus 2, it will be written as x of 3t minus 2 by 1. We have taken the term 3 which was with t outside. So it becomes t minus 2. Right? So then we will do first scaling by 3 and then shifting by 2 by 3. Same way over here. Let us check that whether the answer comes same or not. So if first I do reversal of this, what will happen? This pulse signal will get reversed across y axis. And we will get like this. Okay. Now we will do shifting. Now shifting here is t plus 2 means it is capital T is negative. So shifting will happen towards left hand side. Now this shifting will happen in this new signal which is x of minus 2. Alright. So if we shift this towards left by 2 unit means 0 will go to minus 2, minus 1 will go to minus 3 and minus 2 will go to minus 4. So it comes like this. So if you compare it with what earlier we have discussed, when shifting first and reversal later, it is the same thing. It is the same thing. But remember one point this, that you have to take this common and then apply this outside part first, then go for shift. Otherwise, if you do like reversal over here and then do the shifting without taking common, or first do shifting and then take reversal after even you are doing the common, both the cases you will get the wrong answer. You can try out yourself, you check that you will not get the same answer. Alright? Same case is this. So you can also try out this part, that when you do this, first you do x of 3t from this signal, the signal will get compressed, and then the shifting will be happening by 2 by 3 on right hand side. and you sketch that, you will get the same signal. So this part you try out yourself and you will get that how this combination takes place. Okay, so we will stop over here and we will continue with our course in the next video. Thank you.